So jingles which they were big companies were using now can be created by each one of you. And for that I have an AI tool, and the tool name is Suno.ai. Everybody open Suno.ai in your system. And I can chat to make music, or I can write the lyrics on Chat GPT and I can utilize it here. I will go on Chat GPT and I will create a song, lyrics for for my business in plumbing. I am a plumber. I want to create a song that's showing all the expertise I have in plumbing. Okay, and I will give this lyrics to Suno.ai. Okay, I want a hip hop version. So I have just given a basic prompt to ChatGPT to create a lyrics for me. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just quickly copy the entire song and I go to Suno.ai and I'll put it here. Okay. Credits, it will utilize some credits of yours and it will create the song for me.
Hey, hey, hey. Flow like a pro, yeah, I fix it real quick. No leak, no drip, every pipe. Look flow like a pro, yeah, I fix it real quick. If it's drum in trouble, I handle it. Cap still dripping, I don't let it slide. Drain blocked up, I could at line. PVC copper, yeah, I do it right. Clean finish work, every joint seal tight. Emergency call, I pull up fast. Smart solution built to last. From home to sites, big or small, one part of me, I solve it all.
Without a guitar, without a person speaking, I can create the entire song on my business. And now you upload this on Instagram, copyright free. You are definitely going viral with your business. Let me hear the other soundtracks.
Yeah. Tap still dripping, I don't let it slide. Drain blocked up, I clear that line. PVC copper, yeah, I do it right. Clean finish work, every joint sealed tight. So if you want to do some changes, you can switch to advanced version, and then when you go down, you can write the lyrics here. You can even ask Suno to generate lyrics for you. And in case if you don't give any content here, if you delete this, then it will take instrumental. Okay, you can also do the changes in the styling. That is, you can put cinematic style, you can put it's like an anthem or heavy dump street, whatever you want. You can always write like hip hop or vibrant song. So those detail it will take. Moreover, with more options here, you can select which vocal gender you want. You want male or female. And then you can also select how much weirdness you want, which weirdness means that turn it up for. At the same time, what is the style that you want? Turn it up to match your style description. And then you can just hit on create and a new version.
Okay, so let me create this for create again for a vegetable vendor in English. Again for Suno.ai and make it for Kajal. Let's do that. Kajal ki sabzi, fresh mal. Imagine now Big Basket or Zepto, such companies start creating their own lyrics, their own songs. Okay, and then with each and every song, they're selling some kind of a product. I mean, this is a nice marketing strategy. What do you say? So it is creating Kajal ki sabzi for me. Let's see what sabzi we are creating today. Let me play this Kajal ki sabzi now. This is a romantic song at the end.
कजल की सब्जी फ्रेश फ्रेश माल ले जा सुबह का ताजा सीधा खेत से हाल आलू टमाटर भिंडी ले जाओ भाई बेस्ट रेट मिलेगा ट्राई करके जाओ भाई कजल की सब्जी फ्रेश फ्रेश माल ले जा सुबह का ताजा सीधा खेत से हाल आलू टमाटर भिंडी ले जाओ भाई बेस्ट रेट मिलेगा ट्राई करके जाओ भाई गली गली आवाज सब्जी ले लो हरी हरी धनिया मिर्ची भी ले लो सीजन का माल फुल फ्रेश स्टॉक क्वालिटी पॉप न कोई शॉक रेट बिल्कुल सही रेट भी फेयर रोज का ट्रस्ट है नो कंपेयर घर तक सर्विस स्माइल के साथ कजल की सब्जी सबसे खास कजल की सब्जी फ्रेश फ्रेश माल जा सुबह का ताजा सीधा खेत से हाल
I am really impressed with Suno.ai today. अच्छा इमेजिन स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट ने इतना पैसा लगाया वो स्मेल क्रिएट करने के लिए, करेक्ट? अगर वो एक सॉन्ग क्रिएट करके इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दे अबाउट मैंगोज, सिंपली अबाउट अल्फांसो मैंगो कमिंग इन, हाउ इनसेन इट विल बी. कितना अच्छा मार्केटिंग सेटअप हो जाएगा उनके लिए, isn't it? By just clicking on, I'll show you how to download this also. By just clicking here, you have an option to download it here in the MP3 version or video version, whatever version you want. Because now you understand how disruptive marketing is getting with Gen AI tools. Now you understand that what an impact AI tools is bringing to marketing. If I would have to go and create this song, it will cost me around 5 to 10 lakhs. Easily. I have to hire a singer or a full team to create this song, and then one person who is writing the lyrics. Proper sound has to be there, and then we'll be doing retake till we get to the right part. And now tell me, within few seconds, you can create that song. Isn't it insane? That disruption has come in marketing with AI.